Deep nose pore cleaning. Stubborn blackheads removal. Some blackheads come out easily, others don't move at all. They stay trapped inside the pores, holding onto layers of oil and buildup for weeks, sometimes longer. Today's treatment focuses on deep nose pore cleaning and stubborn blackheads removal, a process designed to clear congestion that regular cleansing leaves behind. What makes blackheads stubborn? Not all blackheads are the same. Some sit close to the surface, but stubborn blackheads form deeper inside the pore, where buildup becomes compact and hardened over time. These pores often contain thick oil buildup, layers of dead skin, compact debris. Why regular washing doesn't work? Surface cleansing only removes oil from the top layer of the skin, but stubborn congestion remains trapped deeper inside. That's why these blackheads continue to return, unless the pore is fully cleaned. Step 1. Preparing the skin. The treatment begins with a deep cleanse, to remove excess oil and prepare the pores. Step 2. Softening the congestion. Warm steam is applied slowly, to soften hardened buildup inside the pores. This step helps reduce resistance during extraction. Step 3. First, resistant extractions. Extraction begins carefully. At first, the blackheads resist pressure, but slowly, the compact buildup begins to release. Step 4. Deep congestion removal. As the process continues, larger areas of congestion are cleared. Some pores release long compact plugs that have remained trapped for extended periods. Step 5. Full deep pore cleaning results. Once the buildup is removed, the pores appear noticeably cleaner. The overall skin texture looks smoother, more even, less congested. Step 6. Calming recovery. A soothing treatment is applied to calm the skin after extraction. This helps reduce redness and support recovery. Final results. Before, deep congestion and stubborn blackheads. After, cleaner pores and smoother looking skin. A complete deep nose pore cleaning transformation. Final message. The most stubborn buildup often stays hidden the longest. But once the pores are fully cleared, the difference becomes impossible to miss. If you enjoyed this deep nose pore cleaning and stubborn blackheads removal, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more satisfying skincare transformations.